Now, the next one I want to show you is this beautiful floral vine. It's called the garland headpiece, and this one is 310. Now, this one also has rhodium plate all down the vine here, and it's just a cluster of stamped floral leaves with Swarovski elements all over it. This one is showcased on her site as a headpiece as well. And look at that. It looks like you really do have a vine on your head. It looks like you have a floral vine on it. It looks so cute, so put together. And it just gives that touch of like romance, I feel, to your wedding. And so this one here is 310. It's gorgeous. It finishes off with the satin ribbons down it here. And this one also, I think, why not? Like, why not wear it as a belt as well? You know, for those little skinny figures out there, I think it'll look beautiful on you, and it'll like make your outfit come together.